Relations between the Islamic Republic of Iran and India are rooted in thousands of years of shared history and civilization, and are based on a strong culture, commercial, and human ties. This rich heritage is a valuable asset for expanding bilateral cooperation. The Chabahar Port project, as a symbol of strategic cooperation between our two countries, plays an important role in economic development and regional connectivity. The holding of the 20th Iran-Indian Joint Economic Commission in 2025 reflects the strong determination of both sides of deepen cooperation in economic and infrastructure field. In addition, Iran and India have close cooperation within regional and international organizations. India's presidency of BRICS provides an important opportunity for cooperation between the two countries within this framework. In conclusion, I once again thank you for your kind presence and wish peace, stability, progress, and prosperity for the peoples and governments of the Islamic Republic of Iran and the Republic of India. We want to say that Jai Iran, Jai Hind.